Hi, Bennett.
Bennett and flip-flops here. We go in hard way today. Instead of patterns, we do the delay steps. I'm not sure how they call this. Delay, stop, kickball, change, something that change step, step, regular walk, walk to some-ish triple step. What we do? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. There is something here. I will talk with the numbers. Something here, this is a stretch on 5. And direction of the stretch for her goes this way, for me goes this way. Now, I don't do this as 6 and this is stretch 1. I just go 1 back. This is regular 1. And I move all my body with my hand. 1. And I move force to move her. If I want to do delay step, I put my weight back, kind of initiate the transfer, but I did not move the connection. She will feel my weight because she already have weighted. She need to compensate the weight and she like boom, pam, pam, okay? It can be different. Weighted, weighted, boom, pam, pam, or boom, pam, pam. I don't care about how you make it style-wise. I want you to understand that on 6 we already have communication by our weights. He give me 20, I answer the 20. Now I give her 30 and she answer with 30. It's not like she answer with nothing. Yes? It's 30 and 2. If you want to train this on social, don't talk with the followers or the leader. Train it like that. Make mantra in your mind. Like something and 2 or 1, 2. Just pronounce it this loudly. Something and 2. Okay? Maybe it will help. Something and 2 instead of 1, 2. Okay? Mantra, I hope will work for you. Again, flip-flops with the bald head and bend.